If you own a Jeep Wrangler JK, you know the stock intake system kinda chokes your engine. You're leaving horsepower, torque, and even fuel economy on the table. A good cold air intake lets your rig breathe easier, gives you better throttle response, and makes that V6 sound meaner when you stomp on it. Today, we're running through the best cold air intakes for Jeep JKs with the 3.6-liter engine. And hey, all the product links are down in the description, so check those out when you're ready to upgrade. Starting with number 5, the Raicing Cold Air Intake. This one is built specifically for the 2012 through 2018 Wrangler JK with a 3.6-liter V6. It promises a 5 to 10% horsepower bump and 6 to 8% more torque. That's solid, especially when towing or climbing hills. It's got a high-flow, washable filter and a smooth aluminum tube for airflow. Plus, installation is quick, less than an hour with basic tools. Affordable and effective, this is a great entry-level upgrade. At number 4, the AFE POWER Magnum GT. This one looks slick with its sealed housing and clear sight window, so you can peek at the filter without tearing it apart. It's built with their patented design to keep air cool and flowing strong, which means legit dyno-proven performance gains. The huge oiled filter boosts airflow, and it's even 50-state legal, so no worries if you're in California. Definitely a polished, user-friendly option with a premium feel. Number 3, the Spectre Performance Intake. Budget-friendly, but no slouch. This setup has been dyno tested with up to 50% more airflow than the stock box. That translates to better throttle response, towing performance, and a throatier engine sound. The oiled synthetic filter protects your motor while staying washable and reusable. Installation is super simple, and you can go a long time, up to 100,000 miles, before filter cleaning. Perfect if you want more power without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 2, the AFE POWER Magnum Force. This one's all about that open design. More sound, more airflow, more fun. It uses a massive 5.5-inch 360-degree air filter with oiled cotton media for max flow. You'll feel that throttle response instantly, and the growl under the hood is addictive. It's also 50-state legal, and the CAD-designed heat shields keep hot air out. If you want a more aggressive setup that delivers power and sound, this is the move. And number 1, the K&N Cold Air Intake. K&N is basically the OG of intake systems with over 50 years in the game. This kit guarantees horsepower and torque gains, dyno tested with real numbers. The 4-layer reusable cotton filter only needs cleaning every 100,000 miles, which is crazy convenient. It improves towing, acceleration, and everyday driving while giving your JK that satisfying growl on demand. Backed by a lifetime limited warranty made in the USA and easy to install in about an hour, this is the top pick if you want proven performance and long-term reliability. So there you have it, 5 of the best cold air intakes for Jeep JKs. Whether you're chasing budget-friendly upgrades, max performance, or something in between, there's an option here for you. Don't forget, links to all these products are in the video description, so check them out if one caught your eye. And hey, if you dug this review, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more Jeep upgrades and gear breakdowns.